Winds and temperatures. Here's a chart at flight level 300 showing spot winds and temperatures. All the temperatures are negative unless prefixed by the letters PS. It's such a high altitude, so it's very unlikely that temperatures will be positive. The wind directions can be determined by comparing the direction against the meridians, which leads to true north. And wind speeds are shown with triangles for 50 knots, full lines for 10 knots, and half lines for 5 knots. You can see on the example European forecast upper wind chart at flight level 100, there's some strong winds going over the United Kingdom from a westerly direction, reaching 50-65 knots at 10,000 feet. At flight level 300, a jet can be seen crossing the Atlantic towards the United Kingdom. A mid-forecast upper wind and temperature chart at flight level 340, as well as showing a lot of westerly winds, also shows nearer to the equator some changing in wind direction and loss of wind strength as easterly flow becomes apparent. Generally speaking, with increasing altitude, wind speed increases. Over the UK, at flight level 340, there's a wind of jet strength of 140 knots. Travelling to the east towards Vienna, signified by a V, there's a double line which indicates a change in wind strength or direction. In this case it's wind strength dropping down to 100 knots. Two triangles. Also on this chart you can see surface frontal positions. There's an occluded front over the United Kingdom. And down near Sicily, at the base of Italy, is Mount Etna, a sign of volcanic activity. I'm looking at 195. Although winds are generally westerly, it can be seen on this chart there's some very strong northerly jet strength winds which actually become southerly. These will be deflected by pressure patterns on the Earth.